Murugamo wa kamiti ino ya IEBC ni o kiama gigetikirio gukorwo na agent umwe hari o ceceni ya uikia wa kura. Kamiti ino ikiuga kiama ni kiwe gakorwo na uigiririku wa kuiguanira uria agent ucio agakorwo akirora kura cia aria othe marugamite na tigiti wa kiama kiu hari o ceceni ya uikia wa kura.
I'll take example of Jubilee and NASA especially. NASA is a coalition, so ODM will have an agent for that particular candidate. And I'm also aware that within that coalition there are many candidates fighting for the same seats within the same coalition in particular places. So that's why we are saying you are entitled to one agent as a political party or as a candidate.
Murugamo uyu wa IEBC ari mugaru na ariendekithia ria mung'ethaniro na gukorwo na agent atano hari o ceceni ya uikia wa kura kurangira kura ciao.
Kule ndani agent wetu wako na wao. Sasa wanahesabu, tunahesabu. Wanajumlisha, tunajumlisha. Wanarusha, tunarusha. Wanatangaza, natangaza. Sawa? Mara hii mjinga amerevuka. Mrevu yuko wapi?
No horni kiumbe ni mateetikiritio gukorwo na agent omwe kurugamirira o muhuraniri kurigana na gicunjia kia 30 kia watho wa githurano kia kiuteti no kiamure agent umwe kurugamirira aria mararugama na tigiti wa kiama kiu hari o ceceni ya uikia wa kura na kuria kiama gitamurite agent muhurani omwe no amure agent umwe ta uria ahorni kiumbe magakorwo makiamura agent.
The presiding officer may order the dispersal of any gathering of persons which appears to the presiding officer to be preventing free entry to or exit from the polling station or to be intimidating or interfering with voters, and any such order will be sufficient authority for a police officer or any person authorized by the order to effect the dispersal.
Mukenya uge o wothe ugakorwo mateetikiritio uikara ceceni-ini cia uikia wa kura agirwo ni gukorwo aikarite mita magana mana kuuma ceceni-ini ya uikia wa kura. Ateti amwe makoretwo magithingata arumiriri ao guikara ceceni-ini cia uikia wa kura nginyagia kura citarwo.
Na ikifika jioni sasa ile wanafunga vituo, vijana msiende nyumbani. Nabaki hapa hapo nje kulinda kura. Sawa?
We all agreed that the law is very clear. There will be one agent for a political party or candidate at the polling station. Now, the jurisdiction of IEBC at the polling station is 400 meters. So, voters will come vote and leave the 400 meter area.
IEBC ni hanite murugamo uyu kuria horni agitirwo kia president na arugamiriri ao aria mekumanaga na IEBC wa gatatu aingi magituma arugamiriri ao.
Thiko 12 mbere ya githurano kinene giukite, kamiti ya IEBC ikigeria kweheria ndugamo no iri koretwo ho gatagati kayo na kiama kia mung'ethaniro ndumwe na ministry ya ugitiri. No kiuria gya gweterera tariki 8 wa kanana ni ukinyaniria wa murugamo uyu wa kamiti ya IEBC. Grifotera Inoro TV retora kona masharia wa Gashuru.